Hey folks, I'm Walter, and here's 5 reasons to love cruising. Number 1, the crew. You have never been pampered in your life on any vacation at any resort until you've taken a cruise. All the way down the line, they make you feel like family from the moment you board the ship. Number 2, the food. Cruises are an excellent time to try out new things that you've never had before. Because if you don't like it, well, they'll just take it back and replace it with something else. In the main dining room, you want to order all 5 entrees? Order all 5 entrees. They'll bring them all out to you. Number 3, the ocean. It is such a beautiful sight to be sitting in an ocean view seat from pretty much anywhere on the ship. And especially in the Caribbean, you have never seen a sunset until you've seen a Caribbean sunset at sea from a cruise ship. Number 4, you're in a different location every day. You can visit 2, 3, 4, 5 or more countries in a single cruise. And you don't have to do a thing. Your hotel moves and takes you there. 5, the freedom that cruising brings for everybody to have their own vacation. You don't all have to get into a car and off to do the same thing. You can be sitting by the pool. Your partner can go do trivia. The kids, they can be on a rope course or at the arcade. And you're all enjoying the same vacation at the same time. And as a bonus, the crew. I can't say that enough. They make your cruise like no other vacation at all. You will feel like family when you get on the ship. Now, what about you? What's that thing that you love about cruising?